Hi, welcome back to my channel. These types of videos are getting insane views right now. And the best part is that the entire process is super simple. Look at this video that I created in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open the prompt link that I've provided in the description. It contains the complete master prompt, so you don't need to change anything. It's fully automated and ready to use. Simply copy the entire master prompt and open any AI chatbot. I'm using ChatGPT for this tutorial. Now paste the master prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will analyze the prompt and give you several color combinations to choose from. Pick the color you like and type its number, then hit send. Next, it will ask you to choose a second color. Again, select the one you prefer and send the number. ChatGPT will combine your choices and automatically generate the final master prompt for your video. You can use this final prompt with almost any AI video generation tool, but for this tutorial, I am using Google Flow. Simply copy the entire final master prompt and open Flow. Select the video option. Choose OmniFlash as your video model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and adjust any other settings according to your preference. Once everything is ready, paste the master prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Flow will now start creating your video. And now let's check out the final result. Download the video in the highest quality available. I have created these videos using the same method. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to cover any other viral AI trend, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.